Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to um, install Genimation in Ubuntu 18.04 system. So many people face this problem. So I already faced this type of problem while install the Genimation. So I have some steps for Genimotion installation. So let's get started. Hello friends. So while installing any application in Genymotion, I have faced some problems. So I'm showing you this type of problems I am facing. There is ADB server didn't SDK, and another one is this type of problems. Genymotion error while creating VirtualBox. So I have some solutions and some steps about this. So let's get started with from zero step. There was a first step was sudo apt update and enter your system password and wait till complete this process. Then another next command was sudo apt dash get double dash install virtualbox dash dkms. Okay, I already installed this virtualbox command. So next command is sudo apt install virtualbox. Okay, this library is also installed. Then we need to go in official website of Genymotion, and there is in download option. This page will open. So you need to just download from this file. So after download, you will get this type of format .b. So on this path home document, I have this path home and document. In this folder, I have this file. So from here, let's open this terminal, and in this terminal, we just need to uh, copy this file name. Okay, then open that terminal. In this terminal, we will write some command for install a Genymotion. First command is chmod plus x and paste here that file name. Then next is dot slash paste here. Okay, enter y. It will install Genymotion. Wait till complete this process of Genymotion installation. Okay, my Genymotion is now installed, and also VirtualBox is installation is complete. Now we just search about Genymotion. You can see we have this Genymotion icon. So after open Genymotion, there will be this type of interface you can show. If not, then please sign in and then add emulator from here, and that download size will be 400 or 500 around. And then after download, you can double click, and then that emulator will be start open, and then go to your terminal and just enter this command adb kill server. There is no any type of device you can see. Then another is sudo space cp tilde sign, then enter your system password. Okay, and next command is sudo chmod plus x slash user usr, then bin slash adb. Okay, and then last command is adb start server. Okay, now if you install any application in this Genymotion, you that will be smoothly running. If any issues you have faced, then comment on this video. If I have that solution, then I will definitely help you. Thank you for watching this video, and if not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel.